All right, week 4 of testimony in the Karen Reed murder trial is officially underway. Jennifer McCabe on the stand this morning, back on the stand, we should say. She is a key witness in this case, and there have been fireworks already in that courtroom. Thanks for joining us at 11. I'm Melody Mendez.
And I'm Colton Bradford. So the jury this morning, they're hearing more about the moments when Boston police officer John O'Keefe was found dead outside of a home again in Canton, Massachusetts. Let's get right out to NBC 10's Manoj Kwangwari. He's live for us outside the courthouse. Manoj, good morning. Walk us through what the jurors have heard so far this morning.
Well, there's been a real battle between Jennifer McCabe and the defense. McCabe is making sure to not have any of her words being mixed up, but the defense is pointing to differences in her testimony now compared to what she was telling law enforcement officers in the moments after John O'Keefe's body was found. Now, it was McCabe who was next to Karen Reed when the two found John O'Keefe's body on the lawn of 34 Fairview Road in Canton the morning of January 29th, 2022. She testified on that morning. She heard Karen Reed admit to hitting John O'Keefe with her SUV. Prosecutors say Reed backed into O'Keefe while dropping him off at the home the night before, ultimately resulting in his death. The defense believes Karen Reed is being framed in some sort of cover-up scheme that involves collaborated lies from members of the Albert family, whom McCabe is a part of. Take a listen to this.
Do I speak to Chris and Julie Albert?
Have you spoken to them about these events between then and now?
About this case? Is that what you're asking?
Yes, Ms. McCabe, I'm asking about this case.
Of course, I speak to them all the time about the vicious harassment we are all receiving.
Okay, that wasn't my question.
Now, testimony is only expected to go until 1 today, as today is a half day. We, of course, will be keeping you updated. But for right now, we're live here in Dedham. Manoj Kwangwari, NBC 10 Boston.
Yeah, Manoj, thanks for your reporting there. It has been an interesting day in court, to say the least. We have a reminder, too. We're going to have all of the testimony from the Karen Reed murder trial on air, online, and on our streaming platforms. Just search Boston News. Testimony starts between 9 and 10 each morning on the days court is in session. And
if you missed that, we have a full wrap of the testimony for you and expert analysis as well on Canton Confidential. It airs right here on NBC 10 Boston. It's all centered around the Karen Reed murder trial. Again, 7 o'clock right here and only on NBC Boston.